I was working in a place near a ranch, and I just started hearing all this moo, moo, moo. And it was just like this plaintive, horrible thing. And I asked my friend, I said, what just happened? He said, don't you know, they just took the calves away. And I thought, oh my God,
Yeah.
Terrible thing. Because what are they, 4 months old, 5 months old?
Yeah, they're very young. In the dairy
terrible.
industry, it's often on the first day that they're born.
Ugh. I'm thinking this is a cattle ranch in Colorado.
They will usually keep them with their mothers a little bit longer, but that also allows them to create more of a bond with their young. It's just as cruel to leave them with them or to take them
away. A
away.
friend of mine argues for the Scottish Highland cattle, which actually grow to maturity before they're sold for steaks and things like
but
that.
What is maturity in that regard?
Yeah,
it's usually about 2 years old.
He was an ag guy.